Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, CBGB Motorsports. I'm Colin.
I'm Gavin, and this is our project BMW Z3.
The goal of this car is to do track events, and one important thing about track events is having proper instrumentation.
This car comes with a water temperature light, but nothing for oil. We'd like to add an oil temperature and oil pressure gauge. With not much room, we found 3D printed gauge pods that go right into the center AC vents. Today we're going to install them.
The first step of the installation process is to remove the factory AC vents, which you can do by getting your fingers behind this top piece, making sure these hooks come out from under, and then you can pull it right out. In order to get the vents out, rotate them up until they click, and they should pull straight out.
This is what it looks like installed. The problem is, the bracket is too long. The easiest fix for this is to use vice grips and twist the metal until it falls off. Now all you have to do is insert the gauge, attach the shortened bracket, and tighten it with the screws.
Now it's time to wire them. Start with a light bulb that has a power and a ground. You'll need a source in the car that will power them. Now, simply remove the plug and install a light.
Now time to wire the gauges. Each gauge comes with a pigtail, ground, power, and ascending unit. We are going to use different colored wire for each gauge. Make sure to write down the color that goes with each gauge.
This is what the finished result looks like. Let's go put it back in the dash. We haven't got the sending units yet, so for now, we're just gonna put the wires back here. And we're gonna pop it in place.
Except for the wiring, it wasn't that hard. And it added instrumentation.
That's it for this video. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and tell all your friends. Your support is very much appreciated.